All Recipes member Mary Bain says this recipe for baked honey mustard chicken is quick and easy to prepare, and the kids love it too. This recipe is for 6. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then wash and pat dry 6 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves. Season the chicken breasts with salt to taste, and then pepper to taste. Now, lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Place the chicken breasts side by side in the pan. We're placing them with the prettier side down because we'll flip them over halfway through baking so that the presentation side is up. Season this side with salt and pepper as well. Now, in a small bowl, we'll mix together some coating ingredients. Add half a cup of honey, half a cup of prepared mustard, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of dried parsley. Mix these together well. Pour half of this coating mixture over the chicken breasts in the baking pan. And use a brush to make sure the breasts are well painted with the coating. Bake the breasts in your preheated oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the chicken breasts over and brush on the remaining half of the honey mustard mixture. Bake the breasts for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the meat has lost any trace of pink and the juices run clear. Let the breasts rest for 10 minutes before serving. All Recipes member Madam D commented that using half regular mustard and half Dijon mustard, as well as fresh basil and parsley, really boosts the flavor quotient on this dish, making it a great choice for dinner parties. Serve it with a little